In this video lesson, you'll discover how to make a monochrome artwork in one color.
As an object for this lesson, I will depict an Ionic Capital. This architectural style is known as the Ionic order, a classical architectural style that was created more than 2,500 years ago and is still in use today. This classical column capital has beautiful proportions and will be a great subject for a monochrome artwork. Here is the finished artwork picture I will achieve by the end of this video lesson. This will be a monochrome artwork, meaning that only one paint will be used for the entire painting. So, the choice of the color is quite important because you will use it right from the beginning to the very end. You may test different paints on a separate piece of paper before making a final decision. I will now paint the first wash in order to make the paper off-white. The brown pigment is diluted quite thinly. The first layer will be quite light. I have pre-mixed enough quantity of paint to cover the entire paper sheet. I am making the first layer wet on dry, applying the tint following all the rules of the plain wash. The watercolor technique that I am demonstrating to you in this video lesson is a part of the curriculum at Russian universities and academies for architecture students. Despite all the modern technology and advances in three-dimensional software for computer-generated images, future architects in Russia have to develop good skills of rendering highly realistic architectural artworks by hand, using watercolor paints or making such artworks in inks. This is in addition to learning 3D computer software. Rendering architectural plans by hand used to be the must-have skill for an architect in every country. However, not every university teaches these skills today. What I am demonstrating here is a good example of how to make a really slick and precise rendering of architectural details.